Abatuze ku kyalo Nyakahita Kigongi Ward mu municipality y'e Kabale bamaze emyaka egisoba mwenda nga beekubira endulu eri ebitongole ebyenjawulo okuli ekya National Water and Sewage Corporation, ekya Environment, Police n'ebitongole ebirala okubayambako ku kibira ekifuusa akatiro. Twabitaddemu engato okwolekera ekitundu kino we tusanze omukyala Tumwesigye Josephine ng'amaze emyaka 7 mu kitundu ng'era alojja engeri ekibira kino gye kyafuukamu ekyobulabe.
Tukageraho ekizibu hakabaho emiti y'aba National Water. Emiti egyo ekeryampa eyikira hiyo n'amaju gitu ateguma umuyaga gukihuha ninga nk'enjura yagwa nyingi munonga aboja ngo ekeryo mu rusharara ateguma nehiguka n'emizi ehirimo ekirima twe nanga tugira reporting wa chairman ajareba aja ati muje muze ku reporting wa National Water tuzo tubagambira isomunwa ati ya baja unibija kukikoraho baheza baburirayo hacheza hirimo gundi ati kuyayikire miti ena ogwakana gwa nangwa gukahima n'enjure tagwire gukahirimo umushana kazo umuyaga mwinji ati ya umuti gwahirimo kugwahirimire hati ya twayita chairman ayata ati ati muhandike baruha atobundi yene basa kukora twahandike baruha ubwe mpozi kabaziri 2024 ekeje birabe tukajahandike birabe na 2 ukwezi kwa 5 2024.
Mu kitundu kino mulimu n'emiti gy'amasanyalaze ng'okugwa kw'emiti gino kyali kigenda kubaviirako obuzibu singa gisuula emiti gy'amasanyalaze.
Byatandika kutenguka kyabi kibira abantu batandika kwibishamu nyinu kandi hariho line y'amashanyarazi hariho abataka hariho petrol station kyafuuka ekizibu basoye
CDPC akahandikira nanka kipapura kitu ariko mendinje ku OC station wa environment kaija arambura rero yaza ngo akore reporta hati yakutwaguya izire arambura haho hakire bamuhindura ibaro yo umeme nayo tukagitwarayo konka umeme bo batugambira ngo boti bakahandikira aba National Water ngo bo bayenda kwija kuteme miti bo nibije batine no baburize ngo bateme hatiya barize ngo tuboneye baruho ko mpona yo tuzitware nka wa National Water kugira ngo zibikirize ngo bateme miti hati kubahereze ne bo bayo ne banaka ko yabuze kutwereze nankeje ezo baru hati nibwo twabenture ko kace twaguma stegerizo bakaguma batatugarukiremo atamuhero niho twabentusha tugaruko wa DPC.
Abatuze bano basalawo okwekunganya ne bawandikira ebitongole okuli umeme ebiseera ebyo National Water, Police, ekyobutonde n'ebirala nga basaba okuyambibwa naye nga tebaanukura.
Hati twabetujyaho mpuho tuyo tushobangirirwe turukunde cyo gukora kibuzire hati hagiro watwabara office ya State House ya nanga local content unit hati ke ya tuhabwire hati niho twabentu bahikirira tukabatekerereza tukaboreka ibipapura byitu ukubyabire biri basi tukabatekereza nko kubyabire biri byo namweno muhero ni gubwe abantu bajyangu katube tugere ki tube tubategereze turebe ki barakora ati ya ubwe kakujyo kwa mukaga uko 2025
umwahandikiye content
hata ompo nibwe hakaonke sande nkibi ati ya abana nk'aba National Water nabo ba responding twaiza ku reporting uko mpo waro content unity ba responding abija batandika batemu
ibaruha tukata mu National Water twata mu meme twata polisi baguma bahunami kuyambirwa kwabura niko kuzo wa RDC nawe yakoresa ubushobozi bweye nabwe baguma bazeki nabwe bahunani kurinda hitwabonire ejo office iyi president yatireho ekabona nagira kuragira yo ndagire karagira akwa kuba twagigiremu jayanguhaho.
Ekifo ekibira kino we kiri we basena amazzi ng'ekitundu ng'abamenyi b'amateeka babadde bakikozesa okwonoonamu n'okukwatiramu abaana nga n'olumu bazuula omulambo gw'omuntu mu kibira kino.
Nanka RDC akahandika ebbaluwa kandi yashoboye abaterera n'essimu nabwo bakabona ko babanje kunkaro ko content yo kuyaba manyisize speed buguru butakora hasi bakayikana bakikura.
Isaac Nwamanya akulira ebyemitimbagano mu State House Local Content Unit ekulira omukyala Hajat Amina Mukalazi atubulidde engeri gye basobodde okuyambamu abatuuze bano.
When they complained, we had to first establish the facts. We had to first find out by contacting different stakeholders, including the police side, the RDC, the chairpersons, to find out if it is indeed true that there was a slate here arising from the overgrown trees that were surrounding different homes, and indeed it was true. And the letters they submitted to us, we had to verify them that they are authentic, and indeed they were authentic. The environment police had also made their observations, and they had clearly seen that there was a threat. So we had to coordinate immediately with the responsible office. That was National Water and Sewage Corporation, to ensure that at least they cut these trees before rains come in, and then it becomes a serious disaster.
Oluvannyuma lw'enteeseganya n'okwogerezeganya n'ebitongole bino aba National Water bakkiriza ne batema emiti gino nga mu kiseera kino abatuuze bali mu kweyagala. Byatumwebaze Godfrey, Crossell TV, Omunnyo.